100 grams of chicken stomach pieces. Add a little bit of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and a tablespoon of oil. Mix them well. And marinate this for about 15 minutes. Now into a pan add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When the oil becomes hot, add a large size chopped onion into it. Fry the onion till they are nice golden brown color. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato into it. Fry them. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Fry until the raw smell goes off. Add a little bit of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and mix them. Now add a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, and some water. Cover the mixture for 2 minutes. Stir this again. You can see the oil is separated now. Now add the stomach pieces into it. Now cover this for 2 minutes. Stir it really well and again cover this for 2 minutes. Now the oil is separated. Add half cup of water into it. When the water becomes to boil, add a small size chopped capsicum into it. And cover this for 3 to 4 minutes. It's almost done. Now add 3 to 4 green chilies into it and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Turn off the flame and cover it for 10 minutes. Now it's ready to serve.